Hey guys, I'm Om and welcome back. This week we'll learn 3 fast and easy visual effects. First effect we'll be doing is the sky replacement you just saw. If I were you, I would film this on a tripod to make it easy. Film your subject in the shot, making sure that they fit completely within the floor and below the horizon. In Premiere Pro, you can put your shot on the second layer, and on the bottom layer, use the stock image that you're going to use for the sky replacement. In Premiere Pro, put this shot on the second layer. Underneath that, on the bottom layer, put the stock image, which you can find on the internet. Click on the video layer and mask around the horizon. Usually you can be pretty rough. Use a mask to feather the edge and blend. You may need to invert the mask like I have, and don't forget to turn on the stopwatch to keyframe. Then scale and reposition the layers so that it takes a natural shape within your scene. Now, because you're mixing different clips together, you might need to color correct them to make them much better in the environment. You can use Lumetri for this. And you're done! The next VFX are sparks coming out of this. There's a few ways you can get sparks, such as a lighter or using a sparkler, but I've downloaded some sparks using copyright-free files, which you can get from the internet. On Premiere Pro, put the layer you want the sparks to come from on the bottom, and on the top layer goes the sparks. With the layer selected, head over to the opacity properties, change the blend mode to linear dodge. This should remove the black. If it doesn't, you can always use Lumetri to make the shadows deep and the highlights brighter. Now just reposition and scale the sparks to where you want the impact. Then back to the opacity property and click on the pen tool. Draw a mask around the sparks. You can duplicate the mask as many times as you want to add some variations, and guess what? You're done! The last effect today is the transition of a person moving over a clip to help cut into the next shot. Film the subject and the person that passes over your shot. For a smoother transition, try to keep the same focal length and camera height. In Premiere Pro, place the shot with the transition onto the second layer and start masking out the back of the person as they pass by. I placed the marker so that I knew where to start from. You may need to invert the mask like I have, and don't forget to turn on the stopwatch to keyframe. Place the shot you want to reveal on the bottom layer or underneath it, and it will reveal the second shot. And that's it. Simple. So guys, that's it. 3 fast and easy visual effects. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to see us. And also, if you liked the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Thank you again so much for watching, and always see you next week.